Hospital.
The 40 Nancy is at Union Square.
Union Square, hold for a moment.
46, we're coming up on Prince. If you want us to clear center or whatever the hell.
Yeah, the train at 14th Street proceeds
See that?
8th. The train on your 8th. I think 52 you're at. Oh no, you're at 2.
No, I'm on.
What do you mean? 50, no, quit it.
I'm holding outside Union Square until it's clearance. That's that. No, because is it there train 14 still or no?
This is Sutton
14th Street is clear.
Avenue, JFK.
Oh yeah, I'm slowly unscrewing. Just give me a second.
46 Quincy is at Prince Street.
Prince, get out.
Get out, copy.
45, that's Canal.
So 35.
35 Canal proceeds. What?
I forgot Andrew was announcement on this.
45 proceed.
This
Yes,
is
you
a
proceed to 23rd.
Manhattan-bound E
50
local
whiskey
train.
at 34.
The next stop
34th
is
proceed to
Jamaica
28th.
Van Wyck.
24.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
808, Jamaica Center, it's a copy. It's Skylights Van Wyck.
52 Union Square.
This is the 41 in Portland.
Portland, next 12X, Whitehall, City Hall. Whitehall,
40
H3
Nancy.
proceed. H3 proceed.
46 Canal clear.
35, Canal Square.
It's clear. Function through back.
Wait, dispatch, I can proceed out of the Union Square?
You can proceed to H3. Canal is clear, proceed in 46.
Hold on,
52.
look at. Wait,
52, you're clear. You're clear to 8th.
Copy. No, but no. Look at his excuse.
His shit's broken. And it keeps breaking.
His keyboard's literally like dead or some shit.
50 whiskey, 28th Street.
28th, hold momentarily. 45, proceed to 14th. 50, hold for a minute, then proceed to 23rd.
46 Canal upper level.
Canal up. 46? Yes, right.
46.
46 for Canal.
His keyboard literally just shit itself.
46, go back to Portland.
Copy for Landport.
Does he like not have an extra keyboard or something? Oh, damn.
Who wouldn't have an extra keyboard?
E local train. The next stop
752E, calling back Roosevelt.
Roosevelt, it's a copy, next go back to the Plaza.
Stand clear of the
Queens
closing
Plaza,
doors,
right?
please.
Yes, sir.
8th Street, NYU, 52.
8th NYU, that's a copy, next go back to Prince.
594.
Van Wyck, next callbacks. New Gardens, train at Portland Street, next callbacks. Rector.
Copy for
Rector, go to Whitehall.
top.
Yeah. Everything's going slowly.
Quick question, I'm 752E, right? You said Queens Plaza? I'm not going.
Yeah, shit. Shit.
I'm going on the
Queensbridge.
yeah.
Stupid idiot.
I forgot.
Whitehall's by 60th. Or East 34.
I'm so focused on getting that. I know. I was thinking there's going to be a 50.
Yes, we definitely the next street and Broadway. Makes a lot of sense to know.
What? It is. Well, it makes sense. Go VR.
You look like 59 Street. And now I'm gonna sign up before the chat closes.
This is the 741 at Whitehall Street.
This is
Whitehall Street, please get out my tower. Go to
local train.
Hey, please get out of my tower.
This
This is the 40 Nancy at Canal Street.
Canal Street, proceed to Portland.
She's gone. Mandatory everyone
Alright,
contact.
52 Quincy.
Hold on.
Hold on. Lane shutting. 52 minutes.
Prince Street, make sure you punch your line up. You have to use the punch cards.
Shut up.
Sorry, going by the switch then.
Okay, good. I don't care.
45, you're at Union
nobody's
Square, proceed
You built my tower well.
You don't even know what that means.
Dispatch, can we do that, Prince?
Yes, you can proceed to Canal Street.
50's holding at 23.
23rd, proceed to... Oh, shit.
I just heard something random
Union.
on a kid's phone, bro. Are they talking about racism now?
Go to Union.
10-4.
Yeah.
45, your callback to Prince.
What the fuck?
I'm slowly dying inside.
46.
Congratulations.
46.
Portland.
Bartlett, that's a copy. Your next callback's Whitehall.
Copy for Hall White.
All
This
white.
is the
It is
35 and
actually-
White House Mile Ferry.
Whitehall South Ferry, please get on my tower.
Literally get out
I'm
now.
being respectful. But get the hell out.
It's actually mandatory for trains to
Oh, there's a
contact
bitch at Broadway Junction right now.
Pain is mandatory.
Good R. Good R. There's a J train to Broadway Junction.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yes, literally right now.
J2 Broadway Junction.
Yeah, it's from 121st.
It's 52 for Canal. That's a copy. Next call. It's Cortland.
Straight.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, funny enough, you came in right on time to be signed with the 816.
I am not putting all these signages on this 160.
I've seen others in real life punching Prince, Canal Upper, and Rector as mandatory.
Oh, I forgot I'm not. Yo, bro, I got so much things to do right now.
I don't have enough brain cells.
Oh, I'm the 816.
I'll remind him for you.
Bro, I haven't even joined. Actually,
50 paper whiskey at Union Square.
50 for Union, that's a copy. Next callback to 8th NY.
That's what they're playing off.
okay, I'm gonna become the observant. Yeah. Oh, never mind. That J train turned into Broad Street, so that was probably a glitch.
Yeah, that's a thing. No, they signed up J trains early this morning to Broad Street. They send them to Broadway Junction specifically. Everything's in a tower. There's a tower at Broadway Junction.
40 Nancy's at Portland Street.
Portland is a copy. Next callback to Whitehall.
This is a Manhattan-bound E local train. The next stop is
Guy for the
Forest
Gardens.
Hill,
Next callback
71st
is
Avenue.
Forest Hills.
This guy's just a 45 Nancy, call it back and press be advised, punch it from Whitehall.
That's a copy. Next callback is Cortland Street. Actually, wait, no, go to both.
46 is at fucking South Ferry.
That's a copy. Look at my town.
Fuck off.
Oh, so apparently.
I hated that guy anyways. It's good he left.
E-A.
NYU with 50 paper whiskey.
NYU holds the mentality.
800 Echo at Jackson and Blue
That's a copy. Let's go. Let's go.
Queens Village Depot.
Attention passengers, do back head on the tracks. We've been home located at 10 spots.
52 Q train, Portland.
Garland, that's a copy. Next callback is Whitehall Street. Never mind. That's right.
Forest Hill.
Yeah, 4 trains ahead of Whitehall.
Transfer is available to the F and R train.
Train is mandatory, real mandatory.
45 Nancy's at Canal Street.
Canal upper level at the copy. Next callback is Portland.
Telford.
We are flooding the entirety of Whitehall tubes. Pain is still going to be mandatory.
I thought the NQs were by the bridge.
It's
kind
No,
of
everything is stuff right. Everything is stuff right. Stay away from Forest Hills at the copy. Next callback is
I might as well just become a W to Canal Street then. Ladies and gentlemen, once we get information of the track has been clear of track, we will be passing the information on to you. Please be patient.
Still in the charge group.
Are you H?
Yes.
52 Q train.
2 for Rector. Next callback to Whitehall.
40 Nancy's white.
40
Attention passengers, the platform has been descended. We will be moving
the train is currently sitting at Rector Street. Please go. Go to Brooklyn Tower. Yeah.
He was about to say, get the fuck out.
What is it? Also, whoever's on their way to Whitehall, please hold. Register.
If you want to, hold on,
Hold on, title. God, the GPS. Lane 4, order only. E trains left. Bingo. 752.
I'm going to tell you now, tell you now, if we didn't, if we kept it on 10 miles, yo,
I would have died.
yo,
This is a
Literally, bro, this is
Manhattan-bound
literally
E
CBTC
local
beyond the
train.
Whitehall.
The next stop
This
is
would have, no, I would have
Order.
literally
Drive,
hit Whitehall.
Rego Park.
Yeah. So like, yeah, you all are like, suffering on the financial quarter branch. Hello.
So how do you guys feel about CBTC on Lexington?
That's
Missed. Like, it's what's the point of CBTC and Lexington if it already exited? There is CBTC.
at least I got a sign change from a driver. Literally, that driver was so nice.
745 Nancy's at 40.
45 for Portland to copy. I'm going to get a whole bunch of details. Congestion issues inside the doors. Surprising.
50 whiskey punching at Prince.
Bridge Street to copy. So that's Street.
10-4.
Yep. Be advised, passengers will be held momentarily through the church.
I should die.
Attention passengers, you look to your left side of the train. There is a crash there that was in effect earlier.
Rego Park.
Yeah, why you calling
What
me?
if she died on my mom?
Transfer is available for the 272 bus to LaGuardia Airport.
I know, but I didn't get the stuff for here all the time. It's not my fault. When you purchase it, decided to infestate my house.
Manhattan-bound E local
Wondering
train.
what happens if
The
I punch
next
through the
stop
relay
is
canal.
Woodhaven Boulevard.
752E calling back at 21st Street, Queens.
Hey, he's alive, and that's call back is 7.
Nice F turn.
Stand clear of the closing.
You said what?
63rd.
Copy.
You're alive. What else clearing out? It's copy 45.
Is Whitehall clear?
Yeah, it's clear. It just cleared out. 52, your next call back. Go to Whitehall. I'm just trying to slowly unscrew. 45, go to Rector.
10-4 for Rick.
Whiskey punching for relay at Canal Street.
Why? You just go to Whitehall.
We are running a SAS wrap with broken LEDs. What do you think? Why?
I'll just send you to the yard afterwards.
His brother doesn't even go to Brooklyn.
Where?
Yeah, Troy's slowly gonna start killing some people.
Just open up that Whitehall, 52 Quincy.
That is a copy to make it back into my interface and send you to the.
Yep, we have the moment because it's locked.
Oh yeah, that's locked.
Everything's slowly unscrewing itself. Like this is ends and then Q's.
Yeah, I don't think you
Convoy
want
of
to
Q
see.
trains.
I don't think you want to see the Whitehall spirit I have.
October. This is a 745 Nancy. Be advised, doors open at Rector Street.
That's a copy for Rector Street. I need you to hold outside of Whitehall, please.
10-4 holding outside of Whitehall.
Oh yeah, so
that means for him, one car inside.
I think I know why the guy accepted
That's
our.
true.
Oh Lord.
He's happy second.
But never mind. I guess we can clear all the way through to Whitehall Street.
Speaking of that, so
as I was saying about that, you don't want to see my Whitehall Street. It's broken.
I may or may not.
Four station platform objects.
No, it went from a 3-track station to a 2-track station.
Grand Avenue, Newtown.
What?
Transfer to the Q53.
Yeah, it's a single island platform with 2 tracks on it.
let me
Just
retract.
consumes the middle track.
I'm gonna retract.
No, there's not even a local track to Brooklyn. It's just the middle, and it's just the
This
Queens.
is a Manhattan-bound E local
Yo, bro,
train.
I've been trying.
The
Yo,
next
I've been
stop
trying to
is
time this
Elmhurst
fucking
Avenue.
TFO to race.
Yeah, I'm gonna punch for relay then. Attention passengers, there are
I'll give you that.
trains
I'll give you this
at
one
this time.
exception.
There are no other trains at this time, so if you're stranded, please take shuttle buses upstairs. Thank you.
For the 745 Nancy.
Why don't you just copy? I'm gonna send you down to the tower.
10-4.
752E calling back on 63rd.
Just played up to copy and that's gone at 77.
10-4.
I probably could get that earlier times. Didn't know. Honestly, didn't know this. The thing is, actually, you avoid rubber times. How's that? Actually, put a screenshot of Whitehall's in the chat. Specifically, some trading question about.
This is a Manhattan-bound E
I'll get
local
your screen. I
train.
do you one
The
better.
next stop
Just
is
put it in.
Jackson
Send them.
Heights,
Put a
Roosevelt
screenshot inside of
Avenue.
Runjack, specifically because Troy can't see it. That's what I'm
Like,
saying.
you want
Put a
to see it?
screenshot.
What do you mean can't
No,
see
because
it?
like just to explain, because I told him that
46s are still unsafe.
I'm telling you, you're out of service at Canal Street specifically because half of Whitehall is even. I just need the reference for that. Just need that.
Sorry for interrupting. The 800 Echo is at
You got Queensbridge and that's going to 63. Yeah.
Love how the E-trains are still a thing. Oh, so Kurt wasn't operating a 160.
Not kidding. No, he was operating 160.
I am using 160.
I just told him to go to Whitehall Street specifically because of the platforms being consumed. I just told him and at Canal specifically because it looks like half of Whitehall was eaten. That's not even a
Wait, is
joke.
Troy investigating me? What the hell? I wouldn't drop
No,
out
I'm
there.
just telling him specifically. Because we were having a conversation.
This is where I was using, by the way.
We were straight up trying to clear out Whitehall and see the curtain. I just realized Whitehall is like torn in half.
Roosevelt Avenue. Transfer is
It's
available.
not even a joke. In this case, it's literally torn in half because the walls in the way. Or rather, the platform.
The second island platform is, yeah,
gone.
Oh yeah, Qatar.
Yes.
Do you wanna meet up with Matthew again or something when we when Louis actually gets on work?
I'm going up to see. Wait, which Matthew?
Talking about the king of the M12.
Huh. And I know I'm on
The
Wednesday.
M12 isn't that bad of a route. This the guy was holding.
It's not even that. It's just I'm thinking about. I'm going to see Justin. On Wednesday.
Equal to pick up 57, 7 down.
7 to copy.
I would ask him if I could go out on Wednesday, but I don't feel like I'm getting out of bed.
I don't know what he wants to do. We need to wait tomorrow, actually.
Bro, I almost got kicked off of LA Double R, bro.
What did you do?
I'm not good at doing tickets. Basically, I purchased 2 family tickets and yeah, no, we almost got kicked off. Thank God my father had money in his card.
What the hell did you do?
Basically, I bought 2 family cards, and apparently the conductor said these are children cars.
The next stop is Northern Boulevard.
Yeah.
You're a child.
I don't know what to do in that situation. What you want me to do? Buy a one-way as well?
Technically count.
Yeah, I know, but for an adult, I have to buy a one-way. I don't know if I have to buy a one-way.
Technically, I didn't
buy one-way. Are you going off the peak or on peak?
Nigga, it was 10:54.
Yeah,
so
you should know what off peak and on peak.
Put her up.
Jaden doesn't know.
Sure, you do realize I don't care if it's off peak or on peak.
You have to care because the price
is a difference in price.
Yeah, the 800 Echo is at like 2 days.
Like 6-3, 7-7.
Because one of them is cheaper and one of them is more expensive.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not that good at telling time. You know that.
I'm not that good either, but at least you should know what's off peak and on peak.
It identifies itself as peak or off peak.
I'm only good on Western North about.
752. Put it back out. I swear.
Sounds good. It's a next and final call that Herald.
Copy.
I don't know why I have my TFO target speed at 40 miles per hour. 40. I don't know what 40 kilometers to
This is a Manhattan-bound
something.
E
Roughly
local
20.
train. The
Yes,
next stop
20.
is
Yeah.
46th Street.
Roughly 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, but if you're on the express track heading to Jamaica 179, isn't it like
It should be faster than that.
Yeah, so it should be like.
I don't know, only because the one time I went to Jamaica 179, I was going 179. The entirety of Hillside like literally fucked. It's not even. Everything was just both packed. I set it partially for like 10 minutes. Yeah.
By the way, I could have already you or Jamie send me the whole photo for the 160 LEDs.
No. Tags James. He's the one who has 1,000 number.
I'm gonna be doing the 143, all of them signed too.
Yeah, all the 160 shit.
Yeah, so you really wanna download this. I can't do that. Hope you understand that.
Oh, it's me you're talking about. No, I don't give out anything.
No, I can't give it out yet because Sonic is
I am converting that to
752, calling back at the last stop, 34th Street, Howard Square.
This is a Manhattan-bound E local train. The
I am
next
currently
stop
converting
is
that
Steinway
fat
Street.
68 and that
Alright, I'm gonna have to. Alright, where's my converting thing? Because I'm on.
What are you saying at 57th Street, 7th Avenue?
E57 and 7, it's got to be next call back and D down to 42nd.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm also converting the one thing we have to the 68.
Speaking of 68, I was working.
Alright, you said 20, right? 20 miles per hour?
For if it's a 40
alright,
kilometers,
40, it's 24. If it's 40, it's 24.
that was close.
Yeah.
Close enough. 45.
60, if I put it 60, it's going to be 37. If I put it 70, it's going to be 43. So, would it be 43? For the express track, heading to 179.
Possibly. I would think it'd be like 30.
Oh, that's
it's like 56.
56. Okay, so 80.
Are you guys going to your full speed?
No, it's 56 kilometers. He's according to you.
I'm trying to figure out the fucking thing. Alright, it's 90. The speed is 90. 91. Alright. 91. The target speed is going to be 91.
91 kilos.
Andrew apparently says the maximum to your full speed should be 40. My dude.
Is a Manhattan
40, I think he means 40 miles.
Train.
Send it as 101, you'll be fine.
36th Street.
It's 100. That's 65.
The TFO files are literally coded to be kilometers, actually.
Yeah, because that's what everyone else uses. Makes sense. No, that wasn't bad. 7, 66. 6, no, that's still 6.
Well, tomorrow I'm having a normal QVL run.
What can you talk about?
I expect some people to be G's.
800. 40 second, proceed to your next comment. Do the punching thing.
Obvious.
I'm just gonna refer to it. Do the punching. Yeah. Also, a monkey. Not monkey. I'm going friendly with this. It's about the muggins. I'm just gonna see how I'm gonna rip it.
Rick is a Mexican. What do you mean?
The other Rick.
Ah.
Slick Rick.
Anyways.
It sounded like you said, something else. I ain't gonna say it because I'm forbidden to.
What happened to you?
With the work.
I'm making my fucking little brother. This motherfucker put a fucking website. Come on.
Manhattan-bound E train.
How smart is this guy?
Line. The next stop is
Well,
21st
Jaden,
Street,
seeing that you always send us gifts of, girls with you know what, it's not surprising.
Her. why do you keep on saying that I'm sending gifts of girls with dicks? I do not have one girl
Who said
with a
that? Who said that?
Wait,
You heard
wait,
me.
wait,
You
wait,
heard me.
wait, wait.
Who said that? I didn't.
Curtis saying that, come here. But Kurt, in reality, it's just regular girls with vaginas, right?
I'm very confused.
It's literally.
David, I don't think you're explaining yourself
Station for
enough.
the Echo,
You want to
for
see
the
my
800
gifts?
Echo.
I'll show you.
800 for 34.
Oh, don't show your. Justin's gonna ban you.
It's literally some funny meme.
Justin's gonna ban you.
34 station for the 800 Echo.
Technically, Herald Square, but yeah. I got my chat. You're done. 10-8 train after not.
Oh yeah, Herald Square, Herald Square.
34 Madison, you mean?
Terminate the train. Have a good night.
I thank you.
Yeah, Kadar, you remember that, right? You remember Jaden did
Finally,
that
this
a
run
lot
took
of
so
times before.
long. It took like
We're
2 hours.
going. We are going.
I don't know how it takes like 2 hours, bro. But I'm gonna say this right now:
10 minutes. Everyone was going 10 miles an hour.
the A wait times are fucking ass.
Which branch?
Fucking going uptown. What?
No, like, is it like no? Let me explain.
Going uptown is so hectic.
No, because it really depends on where you are. If you're already on the main line and away from like these branches, you should have pretty decent-ish nets. Where's this? Because even so, those guys are still having
Not really.
weekends.
I kind of have to agree with Jaden, especially even going the other way. I've had experience. The gaps can be pretty bad, either direction.
It also depends on what time of the day.
For what?
No, it also depends on what time of day. Rush hour. Then it's rush hour. It's the A train's gonna be just every 10 fucking seconds.
Well, if you haven't, wait, hold on. If you haven't ridden the late night A, then you shouldn't be saying anything.
Late night A is paid.
Exactly.
Late night A is paid. Fuck. Never
Until you
doing
ride it, you cannot judge the road.
Yo, bro, I'm dead as I'll take that.
I'm assuming goes up. Queensbridge.
Ooh, we're in Denver now.
Queensbridge.
My nose hurts. Fuck me.
Relax.
21st Street, Queensbridge.
Yeah, you remember, Kadar, you remember Jaden used to send those things, always those gifts? Oops.
Like those are tiny.
I still have my hentai gifts. Some of them are normal. Some of them are normal, actually.
The thing that Jaden said before out loud, that he's saying, gifts of, no, not that one.
Did you not say it? Oh, he's saying girls with dicks?
He said it for me.
Kurt, I don't have none of that on my phone or fucking thing. Literally, I literally copy and pasted that fucking video from another
Yeah, you
server.
spammed that shit
The
with us.
next stop is Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street.
I can't get that shit out of my head because
I need to change my battery. I need to change my battery.
Yeah, he goes to get the gift again.
No, I'm gonna have to change my battery because my phone battery thing is at like 89%. And I know if I bring it to Apple, I know Apple ain't gonna do shit because it's Apple now. I don't know.
I'm talking about how you have to shower and it's food and just get too Oh, 20.
Anyways, my fucking muscles hurt.
You have to
Bro, I do want to do push-ups, but here's the thing though. I sometimes struggle.
And do slow.
Yeah, literally. Today was actually a good day, but the thing is, when we got off of the M42 at Port Authority, right, bro, it was too good. And the one line was getting shat on again.
This is Lexington.
And at least I rode a 179. I'm gonna be real honest with you, I haven't even rode a 179 yet, but now I have. The only shit I only rode the main stuff in the New York City subway, the 62s and shit, and 32s and 42s. over the main equipment that I rode.
You've tempted me to run a 68 on the R. Yeah, wait for live to copy and it's called 57 and 7. You tempted me. Or maybe it's 68 and like.
Matthew is actually a cool person.
Which Matthew? There's two of them.
Shadow.
Okay, sure.
Yo, King of the Untold brother mountain stuff.
When are you gonna see him?
What?
When are you gonna see the King of the Untold? When are you and
Oh, fucking audio sucks. What?
Because I'm walking away from my mic. Are you and Shadow gonna see him? Well.
Yes, going. Because he was apparently not on today. So we decided to just take to see what?
I have no idea. I'll just think I'll put it most of the time.
Yeah, so note to self, never go out on Mondays or else it's just
Monday is pain.
Me.
Everyone.
Oh, definitely not.
I'm only agreeing with my name is Pain. My Paradox. Wait, she's dead.
Not Paradox. What you mean?
No, Paradox, show her.
No, that's not Paradox. No, that's Kai. That's Kai.
Oh.
Yeah, we just put it up on this profile. What?
That's because the last time we got bullied.
This is a Whitehall Street bound E-train via the R1. The next stop is Times Square 42nd Street.
Basically, they bullied me to terminate a sheep's anyway because that was the last E-train.
Yeah, they quite literally, they physically bullied him into being the last. They physically bullied him. No, because it's the only reason that they did that specifically because he was the sheep's anyway.
Yeah.
They wanted him to terminate the package.
By the way,
was it new G?
Wait.
I have the beta.
Oh yeah, Josh is gonna have to put in the new rails on the invisible rail.
Thanks for reminding me about that.
Yeah, Curtis. Yeah, I do wanted to say we should also. He hasn't given me that.
I know the this thing.
Nothing really much up there.
I'm hungry as
because there's not much to update aside from mostly tunnels, tracks, and stations.
Yeah, last time we did a PGL one, I think we expected something for Burial because Burial was going to do it, but we didn't have to do it.
Transfers available.
No, that wasn't the case. I don't remember being sent any check. I don't remember.
Let me train. Shuttle to Grand Central.
Yeah,
Connection is available to the Port Authority bus terminal.
This is an acceptance station.
The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
Yeah, I
This is a
probably forgot
Whitehall
that because I've never
Street-bound
gotten that.
E-train.
Wait, what was the mark?
Herald Times Square 42nd.
Next and last stop will be 34th.
On the Queens Boulevard, yeah. I think I'll just do the M tomorrow. I guess. Why not?
Oh, check it because maybe you look at it and just mark it as red.
Well, no. Here's the thing. Like, I have the G-Rep that he gave out like a few months ago to like the beta testers before that stuff.
I have that.
Yeah, that's the only one that.
That one as well. I'm quoting the TFO on him because I was told to do so.
That's just not the rails.
No, that's not the track. That was just the first release, but it was a private beta release. Certain people. Yeah, that's the only. Yeah, the latest one I do not have. Wait, hold up. Give me a wobbler back.
This thing is, I didn't know there was a latest one.
Yeah, Justin has his own version of it.
Yeah, because he's the one that's developing it.
I might convert it for private use. I'm doing that with the 68 as well.
Yeah, makes sense. Which 68? The good one.
The Coney Island, the good one.
Transfer
Coney Island
is available to the D,
Oh, you mean those stupid
Q, and R trains.
I modified that one with my own
Select
personal
bus
modification.
I don't really find it necessary to modify the shit.
The thing is, the roll signs I needed.
Wait, hold on. I don't find it necessary to modify that version because it's pretty good as it is, honestly. Also, it doesn't really need much change, maybe some specific details, but otherwise...
I have my version, so I'm not touching it. Granted, I haven't done much with it.
I did put Ilya's new sounds on it, but I don't know if I should change it back.
I don't think he has accurate sounds, except he doesn't have a howl sound.
I have a howl.
He needs a howl sound.
I mean, they did get new sounds. Kurt, they actually did get new sounds for the 68 though.
That's the thing I need.
I literally could put the buzzer and the fucking sound.cfg and the fucking train itself in the phone.
Actually, Jaden, how would you do sound?
Sound? Yes.